I might have recorded at not a good time because there's two people already there. Yeah, I recorded at the wrong time. I might delete this. Not but I'm gonna murder your family by getting them to death. And you're gonna be the first one out if you do that again. You're gonna be the first one out. You're gonna be the first one out. Get your butt back here. Get your butt back here. Good.
Nope. Nope.
Boom. Oh, don't bother me. Oh. I was gonna yeah. Why is it so quiet? Okay, I'm done. Must have been the wind. Bucko, hook up with Cat right now. I dare you right now. Don't mind me still doing my Sigma moves. And those people coming back, if I see them saying the same shit, putting me on wrong people, I'm gonna throw them in the fire. Before I do that, I'm gonna fuck them.
Huh?
Y'all could try, I don't know, tell them about the bed. I need some help. Oh, yeah. My voice in it. Aw, thank you. Like my mom. For real? For real? You can keep it. For real? Tell me right now. Baby might start saying, you look just like Baco's mom. That look like my mom and your mom. Tell me right now. Sounds like gas. Am I related to her? Am I related? Oh my god, it's a trick. It's random weathers anyway. There's no point. I'm a thought right now. Oh my god. See ya.